The launching of book titled KHI, The Descent of a City, authored by French writer, artist and director Alliance Française, French Cultural Center, Jean-François Chénin, was held at the center's conference hall on Wednesday, 12th of July.
Principalement, je me considère d'abord comme un écrivain, parce que j'écris depuis très longtemps. J'ai publié pas mal de livres et j'ai écrit effectivement un livre inspiré par Karachi, par la ville de Karachi. Le titre c'est Karachi, K-H-I, Karachi, ou The Descent of a City. La descente, en français, on dit la déposition, la déposition d'une ville.
The writer Jean-François Chénin, speaking on the occasion, said that his occasion taught him to be concise, hence he wrote short books. Penning his observation of Karachi, he writes that everything is in blocks and masses. Entire swatches of heavy frontage shut out to light, nevertheless its seriousness stops it from disappearance. Hidayat Hussain, who had translated the book from French to English, told that it was Jean-François Chénin's 21st work. He said that the title referred to the descent from the cross. Hidayat Hussain said it is not an easy work as it is neither poetry nor prose and sometimes monologue. He noted that the writer viewed various aspects of the metropolis penetrating the soul of others. Writer Bina Shah, terming it as an unusual book, said that it portrays fragmentation of the city. She said Jean-François Chénin describes disturbing images of Karachi that we see but choose not to see too much. Critic Asif Farooqi also noted that the writer leaves much to the reader's imagination.